find out more about our various services created to meet your exact needs. All our professionals have tons of experience, which guarantees you'll get only the very best. We're waiting to hear from you and to answer any questions that you may have on how we can best serve your needs. Let us prove our devotion to you as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and commitment. Your satisfaction is our only concern. Contact us right now and let us show you all of the amazing options we have.
Welcome, we really appreciate you choosing us. We love what we do and we always put the customer first. Because for us there could only be one boss, and that is you, our customer. Every customer wants a product or service that solves their problem, is worth their money, and is delivered with amazing customer service. We have it very clear that if we don't appreciate our customers, someone else will. So, for us the single most important thing is to make people happy. As a side effect, they will call us again time after time. Wisdom tells us that a satisfied customer is the best business strategy. However, we never settle for a satisfied customer. Because we know that there is a big difference between a satisfied customer and a loyal customer. It's our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better. We strive to give you what you want, and a little more. The first step in exceeding your expectations is to know what your expectations are. So, please call us now with your needs. We promise you a great and prompt service at an affordable price,